Hi guys! I'm so back and I noticed na hanggang ngayon marami pa rin nagtatanong sa akin kung paano nga ba ako nakapunta dito sa Australia. Well, I'm not a student visa holder. My partner is a student visa holder and i-share ko sa inyo ngayon kung ano yung process na we went through before kami nakapunta dito. So yes, shinare ko dun sa isang video na yon, which is in the description box, na importante or it's important to look for a reliable agency. That's the first step and that's the most important part kasi we have a lot of agency. You just need to look for a trusted and reliable agency. So in our case, I will share with you our agency, which is this one, Infinity Migration Agency. We did a lot of research and marami din kaming chinek na ibang mga agency, pero ito talaga yung naging winner, so diyan kami nag-process. So yun guys, if meron na kayong agency, of course mag-inquire na kayo sa kanila. So usually they ask for a updated resume. It's important that it's updated because they will base the course that you will take here in Melbourne or in Australia dun sa resume nyo. So, yun na nga, after you submit your updated resume, they will give you course options. In our time before, is nag-send sila sa amin ng mga school options, including na kung magkano yung tuition fee or kung magkano magagastos in total. So, you need to consider a lot of things, but in our case, we consider the one in Melbourne kasi meron kaming, or yung partner ko merong relative dito, which is easier. My tip for you, it's easier if you know something in the place kasi nga they will be a big help kahit sa accommodation man lang. So yeah, yun na nga, pinili namin yung cheaper sa Melbourne. So yun, after nun, nakapili na kami ng school. Nag-inform na kami sa agency na, okay, we want this school. And then yun, nagbigay na sila ng list of requirements and nag-sign na kami ng contract na doon kami magpa-process sa kanila. So, ayun na nga, after namin nag-sign ng contract, the next step is like enrollment stage. So, it's like nag-enroll ka sa isang school. So, there are, since international student, is you have to submit certain requirements. I remember, hiningan kami ng updated resume, PSA, birth certificate, NDI clearance, transcript of records, college diploma if graduate ka, certificate of employment sa mga lahat ng napagtrabawan mo, and then English as medium of instruction, nakukuha yan sa school, and then ano pa ba? Yeah. So far, yun yung mga hiningi sa amin. And then, or you have to provide statement of purpose kung bakit gusto mong course na to, why you want to, why are you interested in that course? So, I assume that all of these requirements will be forwarded directly to the school kasi nga mag-enroll ka sa school. Like usual enrollment, you have to submit requirements. And then, yun, after nun, naka-receive kami ng letter of offer, meaning natanggap na siya sa school. So, yung letter of offer is like a letter na nagsasabi na, okay, you can enroll to my school now. Parang ganon. Doon makikita lahat ng information na kailanganin mo sa school, where's your school, address of your school, duration of your course, gaano ba ka-frequent ka tama ba yung term? Like, magkano yung babayaran mo in each term, doon lahat. Every information is in the letter of offer. Next step is you need to pay a tuition. Well, this one is the medyo malaking babayaran mo, but it depends in the school. In our case, we paid first 3 months of the course lang. Yung pagbayad ng tuition is directly to the school. So, wire transfer namin siya directly sa school, hindi dumaan sa agent or agency. Ayun, after na mabayaran nyo na yung tuition and magsasend kayo ng proof of payment dun sa school, bibigyan ka na ng referral letter or sasabihan ka na ng agent mo na pwede ka na magbayad na insurance, the Overseas Student Health Card, something, OSHC, something like that. Insurance siya. So, ang insurance is there are a lot of options you can choose from. Your agency will give you options. Pero yung sa insurance, ito rin yung medyo malaki din sa binabayaran sa process. Kasi you need to pay the whole stay cost. I mean, okay, if the course duration is 2 years, you have to pay your insurance for 2 years. Tip for you is research. Research kayo sa mga insurances na options na bibigay sa inyo, and piliin nyo kung anong pasok sa budget nyo and kung anong pasok na coverage. For example, our insurance is AHM. Also, it depends. Kasi merong mga insurance I know that includes dental, or sometimes meron nga akong friend na nagsabi na it includes their eye check-up, yung mga glasses, may discount and everything. So, it depends kung anong kailangan nyo sa whole stay nyo dito. Yun, after nyo magbayad ng insurance, magbibigay sila ng certificate na, yun, na parang certification, something insurance certification. Yun. Wait, nakalimutan ko. Magsisend pala yung, once na makabayad na kayo sa school, magsisend na sila ng certificate of enrollment. So, confirm na, enrolled ka na sa school nila, ganon. Ayun, so, in our case, after na na-receive na namin yun, nag-lodge na yung agency namin ng visa. We didn't process together, pero yun, nauna siya, parang ganun, sumunod ako. I will share with you as well kung paano ako nag-process ng dependent visa ko naman in the other video na lang siguro. After na na-receive namin yung confirmation of enrollment, confirmation of enrollment. Hindi pala certificate of enrollment. Confirmation. I'm not sure. Let me double check. Yeah, confirmation of enrollment pala talaga. Nilodge na yung visa niya and bigyan na siya ng referral para mag-medicals. There are only accredited hospitals or clinics in the Philippines na nagkikater ng mga international students. So, bibigay din siya ng agency nyo. I know St. Luke's is one, and Nationwide Health something in Cebu or in Manila as well is one as well. I'm not sure kung ano na yung iba. Di ko sure kung ganyan pa rin hanggang ngayon, pero usually kasi guys, when you lodge your visa, if hingan ka nila ng medical results, supposed to be dapat ma-submit mo siya 28 days or 1 month, something. May limitation lang siya. You should submit the medical results within that time span. So, it's important na kung bibigyan na kayo ng referral, pa-medical kayo agad if possible naman. Kasi, isi-share ko sa inyo yung nangyari sa akin nung time na ako nag-medical ha. Well, my primary is medical. Sa awa naman ng Diyos is naging smooth naman siya. I think a week after or days after, na-receive na rin yung visa grant. Kasi nga that time, it's pandemic. That time, siguro wala nag-a-apply since pandemic and nag-risk kaming mag-process ng pandemic. So, na-approve siya. Like, a week after, I think. My tip for you guys for this medical is make sure na kung kaya nyong mag-medical the soonest, magpa-medical na kayo. For example, hindi kayo taga Manila or hindi kayo taga Cebu or kailangan nyo pa mag-travel para lang mag-medical, do it as soon as possible kasi you will never know what will happen to your medical. May possibility na mag-retake ka or may something wrong dyan. So, it's better na magbigay kayo ng allotted time kasi I'm not sure what will happen if hindi mo masasubmit yung medical results within 28 days. Ayun na nga, i-share ko sa inyo yung nangyari sa akin nung medical ko naman sa Cebu, sa Nationwide. I don't know kung anong complete name ng clinic, but yeah, Nationwide, I will put it in your screen as well. Yeah, yung nangyari sa akin that time, nung nag-medical ako, nung may referral na ako ng medical, is pumunta ako ng Cebu for just 3 days, just for the medical, kasi nga, I'm not from Cebu. Yun, nung time na pumunta ako doon, timing naman na, parang may bagyo yun or something. Parang time na yun is brown out for a month in Cebu. And then yun na nga, nung pumunta ako doon, naka-appointment naman kasi ako. So, pumunta ako doon, maaga pa sa clinic. Nung pumunta ako doon, marami nakapila sa labas. Sinabihan kami na parang concierge or front desk nila na hindi kami makikater kasi yung kinikater nila that day is yung mga nag-schedule pa way back before, yung parang backlogs nila. Kasi nga nag-brown out for a month yata in Cebu. Diyan nila kami, yung mga kasama ko doon na sa labas na nakapila, na hindi kami makikater. I traveled to Iloilo to Cebu just to have medical. And that time, nag-work pa ako. And then, sinabihan nila ako na hindi ako makikater. So, well, I insist in-insist ko talaga yung self ko kasi liban sa ako lang mag-isang pumunta sa Cebu, and it's like additional hotel payment, additional everything, rebooking everything. So nakiusap ako sa doctor and sa nag-assist doon na kahit i-insert niya ako, which is I'm the last patient naman that day. I mean, imagine if hindi ako naka-medical that day. And nag-email na sila sa akin na kailangan na mag-submit ng medical. What if hinintay ko yung last minute and nagka-problem pa ng ganun, di ba, hassle? So, it's better na gawin nyo na the soonest yung medical. So, at least you have enough time before that 28 days. So, that will be it. After his medical is na-approve naman siya week after. That is pandemic 2021. Well, that time, it's a very risky decision kasi I remember it's like April of 2021, his visa got approved, but he can't go to Australia due to its border closed, something like that. Kasagsagan ng pandemic. So yeah, we have to defer until na nag-open yung border nila, which is December pa. Imagine, it's kind of risk then, but yeah, it's all worth it. So yun, if you guys have any more questions, gusto ko lang actually I made this video because there are a lot of people who are still asking how did we, I mean, kung paano kami nakapunta dito. Yeah, I just want to help. I just want to help you all, guys. I know if you are still planning to go here, I know na one way to help you decide is to look for YouTube videos about it. Yeah. So, which is yun naman yung ginawa namin. Nag-research kami. That's why I want to help as well. So, yes, I know if you are planning to be an international student here in Australia, yes, do it. Go for it. You can do it. That would be it for this video. Next time, I hope na magka-time ulit ako. I-share ko sa inyo yung process ko naman as student dependent visa. Yeah, hopefully this video can help you. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. If you guys have questions and if meron hindi clear sa mga sinabi ko, feel free na mag-comment sa baba kasi as much as I can is nire-replyan ko naman siya. Hopefully na mag-subscribe kayo sa channel na to. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one!